Congratulations for taking your life to the next level. In this video, I want to show you how to connect your MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain and also how you can add tokens to your MetaMask wallet. So this video is going to be technical, but you can watch it on repeat if you need to. And make sure you subscribe to the page, Hustle Headquarters 360, where you can learn more tutorials and information about crypto and how to get your life together. So first of all, you got to have a MetaMask wallet. So you got to download that. You can download it to your phone in addition to downloading it to your computer. Once it's downloaded to your computer, I want you to show you something really quick. So with MetaMask, we're going to be changing your network. So the way that you change your network is, let me show you. So right here on the top, you see there's a button that says wallet. If you click on that, so you can go to your Ethereum network. Now, this is typically what most people are on, their Ethereum network. And so if you try to get a coin that's a Binance Smart Chain coin, it will not, if you're on your normal default Ethereum network, which is the one that's at the top there, you will not be able to transfer any Binance tokens. In fact, if you go to any Binance Smart Chain website, it will say your wallet is not connected. So what we want to do is we want to connect it. You see how the smart chain, that's what we're going to do right now, is we're going to change your network and add that smart chain so that you can add coins that are there. Same wallet, just a different network. So this is how we do it. So first of all, I'll put a link in the description, but if you just type in on Google Binance Smart Chain MetaMask, it should take you to this Binance Academy and how you do it. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to get straight to this. So you want to change to the mainnet, right? So the one that you're looking for is going to say smart chain. And if you see right here, it says new RPC URL. So you're going to have to enter that HTTPS. You got to copy and paste that. And then where it says chain ID number 56 right there, you got to add that symbol. You're going to add BNB block explorer. You got to also then copy and paste that URL. Okay, all of that information is going to be needed on the mainnet for you to be able to get access to the coins. So let me show you a little bit of what I mean. Now, I've already done this, but when you go to your MetaMask wallet, so you'll see these options. You'll see how it says Ethereum main network, and then you see these other test networks. So typically what you do is you go to your settings, and in your settings, it'll give you, it said add or edit a network. So that's when you go here. You say, I want to add a network. And you see, that's where you put that information I just showed you. Network name, the URL, chain ID, symbol. That's all the information that you saw right here. All of that information, you're going to copy and paste. Well, not the test net, where it says main net. You're going to copy all that smart chain, all this information, those URLs. You then add that here in your MetaMask. Again, if to get this as a reminder, you go to your settings. I'm in MetaMask. You click on the settings button. Okay, remember, you click on the menu, you go to settings, and then it says networks. You just click on that and you add the network, and then you enter that information. Once you add that, it will give you see on the bottom where it says RPC networks. And right now, smart chain is because I've already added it. As you see, there's the information there. It's already been added. So now you're able to go back and forth from the Ethereum chain to the smart chain. So that's why you see right now I'm on the smart chain. If I click on the top, I can go right back to Ethereum. There are my Ethereum tokens. I want to go back to Binance. I just click wallet, scroll down, and now I'm back on the smart chain with Binance. So as you see, these coins are different. Now you see it says BNB, but it has the Ethereum logo. That's still the Binance coin, even though there's an Ethereum logo. So don't get confused, but I know that's confusing, but you are on Binance when you have that. Oh, now let's say you want to add a token. Let's say you want to add a specific token. The way that you do that is, one, you go to Binance Smart Chain. BSC scan is what you want to go to, guys. I should have had this already ready, right? I actually had it early, so let's go back to the Binance Smart Chain. So what I'll do is I'll go to BSC scan. You see that bscscan.com. So now that's the block Binance Smart Chain Explorer. And now you just type up the coin you want to add. So let's say it's that pancake swap token, right? So you just type in the name of the coin, cake. Now it's going to take you to this page. And then you just look for the contract address. You see where it says profile summary. You literally can just click on that button where the contract address automatically is copied to your clipboard. You go back into your MetaMASK wallet. Once you're in that MetaMASK wallet, you click add token. You want a custom token. Now I'm just going to paste that URL. Remember, that was the pancake token that I just entered that I'm copying and pasting. And so the information should come immediately over there. I'm going to type in the word cake. Okay. And once you type that in, if that is correct, that address, it should populate right here. So I'll do it one more time just to make sure that I got it right. This is cake and it says 18 decimals. So I'll type in 18 as well. Now, a lot of times this will automatically show up on its own, meaning once you type in cake, it should automatically show. So now you see cake is there. So whatever other coin, so the same process is with any coin that you want to add. So let's say we add the the bakery coin. We'll do that one. Just to show you another example. Remember, you go to BSC scan, type in the short name of it. In this case, we're going to say the bakery token. It takes us to the contract address. This is why it's important, because you want to make sure you got the right contract address. Copy. Remember, you copy that contract address. You go into your MetaMask. You click add token. See where it says search. Now, you can try to just put the word bake, but if it doesn't show up, it's not there, so you have to add it. So you just copy and paste that token address. Once you copy and paste that, you see the word bake just automatically populated. I didn't even have to type it in there. You click add token, and the token will automatically add, boom, right there on the bottom. Now, if you have the tokens already in your wallet, the number will show up right there. So I know you might go crazy saying, hey, I bought the bake token. Where's my tokens? If you had bought any, it'll automatically show up right there. So that's how that works. Keep in mind with Binance, you got to be really, really careful. I'm going to show you one more. DITTO. We'll look at the ditto. So here's an example of a token I believe I have, but it's not in a wallet because I haven't added it. So I found the address. Okay, I'm going to go to add token, custom token, copy and paste that address. Now you see it didn't populate. Sometimes it doesn't populate. I don't know why it does and doesn't sometimes, but so let's add the words, and you want to make sure you got the token number. So go back and you see that token is 9 decimals. So we want to go there. You want to click on 9, click add token, and boom, you see ditto popped up, and you see it was 19.7 because that's tokens that or in this coin. So that's how it works when you want to add tokens to the smart chain. Again, this is how you're doing it on the phone. Same exact thing on the computer, same exact thing. And if you got collectibles, they'll transfer over. And again, you can always transfer back and forth between Binance, from Ethereum to Binance as well. There are 2 different chains. So even though the tokens are the same, for example, like if you wanted to, let me show you an example. You can add a traditional token that is on both Binance as well as Ethereum, but it's going to show up different. So for example, Elron, eGold. Now, if you have eGold, but it's in your Ethereum wallet and you try to transfer it to your smart wallet, it will not automatically transfer. Why? Because it's a different network. It's on a different network. So you have to understand, you got to convert it. And we'll talk about how to convert it in another video. So if this sounds difficult, hey, watch the video again. I'll try to break it down a little bit better if you're still confused. I know it can be a little confusing, but it's pretty much a simple process. Once you kind of get used to just understanding that you're on a different network. You're on a different network. So be safe, be careful. Whenever you send in transactions, always send a test transaction to make sure you're not losing money. So with that being said, Oh, and also understand BNB is the most important token because this is the token you got to use for like gas fees to order. So you can't really buy any other tokens unless you have the BNB token, because that's going to be the token that you use to pay your transaction fees. People like Binance Smart Chain because the transaction fees are really cheap. You may make a transaction for, 9 cents, 11 cents. I think the most expensive one I've ever seen was probably like $1.50, something like that. So it's much cheaper than on the Ethereum platform where you're paying gas fees of, hundreds of dollars in some cases, just depending on the time you're trying to send it. So I hope this video helped, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So subscribe to the page and click those links in below. All right, I'm out.